Welcome back, party people. Been the place to be. You got you, you got me, you got the Air 3S. We have the CPL filter on from NEEWER, and we are at Canyon Lake in Texas. So we're gonna fly this bad boy. And let me just let's get this bird up in there. God dang it! And the drone is up. 40 people in the place to be. Look at that beautiful agua, people. Look at that beautiful agua. Now it is March 5th, 2025. And the water is low. But it is still beautiful, people. It is still beautiful. Look at that beautiful water. Canyon Lake, Texas, people. Let's hit their 3X, see what their 3X look like right about here. Bam, look at that. Look at that. You gotta love that 3X on this thing. Take us a little low view. There we go. A little look around. All right, let's pop out of that. Go back to 1X. And let's do us a little old exploring. Let's pop on up. About 300 feet or so. And we're gonna follow this way and see what we can find. It's a windy day today, so the drone is gonna be fighting the wind, but it's the Air 3S, so it's nothing that the Air 3S can't handle, people. We're gonna use this little shoreline as our guide. And we're gonna go over there to this old Marina. Looks like in the distance. Just look at that water. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful lake. Of course, you're not going to see any boats or anything because the water is low. Make our way over to this Marina. Let's go ahead and get that 3X action. Look at that. Look at that, people. It's like we're right there, but we're not really right there. Pop out of that, back to 1X. Put it in sports mode. goes our arena, people. Let's hit the rigs while we ride up on it and see what that look like. Yeah, there go our arena. With all the little boats. Oh, there we go. You know what, people? We got a boat going out. Let's go into sports mode. Catch on up with that boy and let's follow it. With active track. Uh-oh, losing transmission. Losing transmission. God dang it. It's gonna automatically do a return to home. Let's let it do the return to home until we get some good signal. All right. Let's get back to it. That boat is that way. If we're lucky. Oh, there we go. We got some boats. We got some boats. Got some boats. They're moving and grooving. Oh yeah, they move. Right, I'm talking about they hitting it. Let's get back to exploring this beautiful, beautiful area.
Max altitude reached.
All right, we're gonna hit max altitude. Hit it with the 3X, see what that look like. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Those homes right by the water. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful view.
Max altitude reached.
Homes. Continue exploring this beautiful lake.
Altitude reached.
Let's pop out. The real view of where we are. As you can see, you got those beautiful homes to your right. And it looks like if we go further this way, officially come to an end. So, yeah. So we're gonna go this way. As far as we can go. Look at that. Look at that. Go on, look it up, Sports phones and that thing like Jakey. That's alright. Look at that over there. Bam. That view. Yeah. So that's the way we're gonna go. So yeah, let's get up out of that. Let's put the pedal to the metal, baby. Let's go. Do a little flow. Look at that water. Look at that beautiful water. And then bam, let's bring it on up. And bam. Wow. Oh, I see something that's worth flying over, y'all. Let's go on and do a old fly over. What appears to be a little island. A piece of patch of land right next to this land. That. Tell me that's not beautiful. We can 2x that. Get out of that. Look at that. Let's do a little fly over. Tip that gimbal down. It was a flyover, and that is a beautiful, beautiful sight. Wow, look at that. We might have to back that one up a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Yep. This CPL filter from NEEWER is making that water look beautiful. The water is beautiful without it, to be honest with you people. You don't need fancy smancy things, but sometimes, every once in a while, there's actually things that actually help you. And it's not just trendy, it's actual, factual. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It doesn't even seem like we're in Texas. Let's hit that with that 3X. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I don't even feel like we're in Texas when you're flying around this beautiful, beautiful lake. I feel like I'm in some kind of foreign country. But then again, Texas is kind of foreign. If you're from Texas, you know what I'm talking about. Let's do this little flyover on this area. We're losing some signal. That's all right. Okay, we got the signal back. Losing signal. Got that signal back. All right, all right.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
All right, we're going to get us a return to home.
Return to home.
That wind, usually I can get a good 20, 25 minutes out of it, but this wind is so rough out here today. Looks like we only get about 10, 15 minutes of flight time, but that's all right. That's all right. That's why you get that fly more package, bam, and you got 2 more batteries to continue your journey. It's a must-have, people, must-have. So return to home, still able to capture some beautiful, beautiful footage of this area. Beautiful, beautiful footage. Yeah, it is fighting it. But that is why. Yeah, we were way out there. It's doing between 24, 25 miles per hour. Trying to get back. What is it?
Max altitude reached.
smiles on nature. It's a beautiful thing. The return to home itself could be a whole video. All right, people. The moment of truth.
Continuously monitor environment during RT.
Seeing is believing, people. Seeing is believing. Forgot I had it on sports mode. And there we go. Another nice high quality landing. Like I said, people, like I always say, forget about this fancy smancy. Go out there and fly your drone and be safe and have a good time. Fly the damn drone. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. The next episode, people. Peace.